welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Vera here again, guys. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time clicking on my channel, you are welcome. You are super welcome. Feel free at home. And to you, my returning subscribers, I thank you guys so much. I appreciate the love, the support, everything, the motivations. I love you guys so much. And of course, I can't even talk, guys. And of course, to you, my new subscribers, look at this face. I hope you guys are so happy seeing this natural beauty every day. You guys are super welcome. I thank you guys so much. In fact, the love is just too much. The joy is too much, guys. I can't thank you guys any less, you know. So today, guys, I'm just going to be vlogging with you guys at home. We're just going to vlog, you know, like just cook with me, chat with me, just the random stuff at home, you know. Your girl, I just want to take you guys along today. Let's spend the day together, okay? Okay, guys, for today I'm actually going to be cooking egusi okra soup. I'm going to also make some little stew, not too much, just a bit. And I will also make some oil rice, you know, like the traditional kind of rice. I'm also going to be washing my fish and storing, like I have like 3 different kind of fish I bought yesterday, fresh fish, and I'm going to be washing them right now, prep them. I have to smoke some of them in my oven, and then the rest I have to just package and put in the freezer. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking you guys along for the whole day. You know, you guys are going to spend this day with me today, okay? So just stick around, relax, and enjoy this vlog.
She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. You should lie on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. Man, lately can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me you're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head, you're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know